Hey ATA Nation, it's your girl Anna and I am back with another video. People may never can get the video right. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Remember to turn your post notification bell on so that you'll be notified whenever I do post another video. Today I'll be making for you some brown stew fish. If you'd like to see, please stay tuned. Remember to watch the ads, guys, and do remember to comment down below your favorite part of this video, what you'd like to see me do, and how you make your brown stew fish. Stay tuned. So people, to start the video, we have our fish and we have some snapper, red snapper, well clean, and I've washed and cleaned them in vinegar and lime juice. As you can see, the belly is fully got, the head is, the gill come out, and I've put 2 slant diagonal cuts on either side of the fish. We do that just to get some of the seasoning in, and some of the seasoning that we're going to use is black pepper, chili powder, ginger, garlic, onion powder. You know me now left out me parsley and my cilantro. We are also going to go in with some natural seasoning. This is for the oil. So we have garlic, ginger, thyme, scallion, and also a piece of onion. So the pot is already hot, and they have, beat the onion, beat the ginger and the garlic, put in the 2 stalk of scallion and some thyme, and we allow that for kind of like fry down a little to get the flavor from the seasoning. We're also adding some scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna cut it because the pepper them not hot. Now we're adding the fish to the oil, and the oil should be enough to halfway the fish. It shouldn't be fully covered, but the oil should be enough so that inside of the fish oil can go in there for ensure it cook the opening of the fish. People, while this is frying, you need to gauge your stove, gauge your fire, because if the oil is too hot, it is going to burn the outside of the fish, and you're going to think that the fish is ready, but it is not ready, because the outside is it looks fully cooked, but the inside is raw. And when you know what I say about raw fish, when I love raw fish around here, fish for clean and smell good, and ready for the road. Any fish we eat, we get good clean up, right? So people, I'm giving you a close-up. You can see the oil inside the fish head there, and that is what we want. So people, I have fried the fish on either side for about 6 to 7 minutes on low to medium heat. It depends on your stove and how you gauge it. So I'm dry frying the fish, but not dry so till it crispy way. When you bite into it, there's no meat left. Now we're going to flavor our pot. We have sweet pepper, Irish potato, carrot, garlic, ginger, thyme, scallion, onion, some okra, and I have minced what is to be minced, chop what is to be chopped, julienne what is to be julienne. There are different shapes to cut your vegetables in, and I might do a video on that, how teaching you the difference between dicing and chopping and mincing. And if you'd like to see that video, comment down below and tell me. So we have poured off most of the oil, and I'm adding 2 cups of butter here to give it some flavor. And the butter that I'm using is, I can't believe it's not butter. You can go ahead and use whichever butter you want, and it's just to add some flavor. So if you don't have the butter, you can always eliminate that. Now we're going to go in with all our ground provision that we had prepped and cut. And people, look how this pretty. This is one bag of goodness right there. So people, it's always nice to eat healthy, and if you have a problem with eating healthy, eat with colors. So then once you love color, you won't have a problem eating healthy because you want to eat pretty. So people that eat pretty tend to eat healthy. So we are just adding this into the oil and the butter, yeah, because we are going to, you know, give it a good little stir down, and the oil is on low, so it is hot enough to saute the vegetable, but it's not hot enough to burn them. So you just give that a toast, and you know, smell the aroma. Take a minute to enjoy your food and the colors and the scent and everything that is good. And then after we have done that and it is sauteed to my liking, we're going to add some sauce, and here we're adding a little barbecue sauce. People sometimes tend to just add ketchup. Here I'm adding some ketchup paste, but I've added some water to it. I also added some cooking wine. People, me always have to cook and add a little thing to my stuff, but normally they wouldn't add the wine or probably even the barbecue sauce, but you know, it gives it a bit of flavor, a little different flavor, a little uptown flavor, because sometimes when I'm too downtown, you know, we need a little uptown flavor in our mouth, and that is what I try to give. Here is my green blend. I don't think me have to explain to you what is a green blend. It has in cilantro, scallion, onion, thyme, ginger and garlic. People, I didn't add any tomato or any sweet peppers to it because those things are going to allow it to spoil quick. When I was blending, I added a little oil. That is that for the green season. Now we're adding the fish them to the pot, and yes, you see the little black spot there, so that's where we had the diagonal cut. So that's where some of the seasoning was inside, so it might look like it burned, but it really never burned. People may like put them thing in a slow motion and say, look at some just a sprinkle over it. Hey, good girl bad, you know, good girl bad. May I tell you myself when I smell this. Me look there, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. But we're talking about the food and we're talking about shake it. But we shake it still. So you don't want to be turning these, you want to be, you know, shaking the pan to ensure that you do it in a big enough pan, because once you add the fish to liquid, it is going to get a little bit moist, and the moister it gets, the easier it is to break. And nobody wants a fish that is supposed to serve whole break up. So you have to understand how to handle the food. People, if you have not liked it, what are you waiting for? And if you have reached this far in the video, please to come and shake it. Remember to subscribe. People, share the video out. When you know, I have one little friend who can cook, and they have one little man tell them say Anna can teach them how to hold on pan little man, or one little man who hold on pan little woman. You don't know it go. And here I've added some more okra, because the ones that were added first, you know, them already kind of cook out in a one sense, so the gravy well slimy. If you don't want to know how to make baby, you don't link me for the recipe, because the recipe are good fit. You don't know it go. So people, look at this. This is the end result. If you did enjoy this video, remember to comment down below. Tell me your favorite part. Tell me what you do different. Until next time, bye.